Hello wonderful people, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the Wonder Family here, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell that any moment we post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Na kama wewe ni returning subscriber, continue watching our content. We love you, the love of Christ. Thank you guys. Now today we are making mandazi recipe, and guys, as you see there, hiyo ni mandazi yenye nilikuwa nimekanda jana. I baked it nikukanda, yes, jana usiku. So after kuikanda, then nikawacha ikalala throughout the night. Now the ingredients that I used was unga, sukari, yeast and baking powder na chumvi kidogo. Now I'll leave the how I did it in the comment section so that you will follow it in the description. Hallelujah. Okay. Now guys, as you see, nitachukua unga kidogo after kuwekelea hapo juu, then nitakuwa na bonda kidogo, then ipige nitengeneze tumandazi kidogo, then nikapike. Now this is what I did guys. I took 4 spoons ya sukari nikaweka kwa besheni. After kuweka 4 spoons ya sukari, nikachukua chumvi kidogo, half. Unachukua chumvi half ya kijiko unaweka. Then after kuchukua hiyo, unachukua baking powder. Unachukua baking powder